But then it appeared that they're making progress getting the driver out, and they told Air Care to hold on, and that's where things stand right now. So you see the cables coming down from that large boom. They've lifted the cab up a couple of times, but so far we've not seen the driver come out of that truck and be brought up to the road, to an ambulance or to Air Care. The fact that they're still working as hard as they are to get the driver out of there is an indication that the driver's still alive. You know, we see a lot of these situations from here in Chopper 9, and a lot of times you can tell by the body language and how these first responders are going about their work what the condition of the victim might be relative to being alive or not. And every indication that we're seeing here would tell us it looks like this driver still has a chance, so they're still working. So just looking at this, once they get the driver out, then it'll probably take more than one. Yeah, there's a second wrecker on the scene. It'll take more than one wrecker to get that big rig out of there. I'm sure FedEx will bring in another trailer or a couple of trailers to unload everything that's in those trailers and get those packages on their way. But I anticipate a couple hours worth of cleanup here once they are able to get the driver out. So that is likely to mean maybe one lane open, periodic shutdowns of the highway for the next, what time is it now, 7:34? Probably till 11, so maybe noon this afternoon before they get this completely taken care of. A lot of work. Yes. See how you've got guardrail coming right down here to the end of the ramp. Then you've got a section of guardrail that's missing, so that looks like the driver went right through the end of the guardrail. All right, so now we've just heard from the Air Care pilot. He is getting ready to lift off and leave the scene, head over to CBG. So once he does that, they may open a lane here and get traffic moving again. And that's a pretty hefty backup right now. It goes all the way back to the airport exit. And let's see here. Yeah, that's 20. That's the airport exit right there. Oh, wow. Okay, yeah, so you're hitting the brakes now just before the airport exit. Yeah, I can see it here. So just before the airport exit is where you're hitting the brakes there. So air carrier want to be lifting off momentarily. And without a patient. All right, so air carrier's going. What, you want to get fuel before the next cut in? Well, now we're going to have to stay to the east of this. Yeah. All right, here we go. So air carriers left the scene, and now they're reopening the highway. Oh, yeah. One car took the opportunity to get out, though.